So today we got a McCulloch MC621 single stage snowblower. This snowblower is a 4-cycle, so it just takes regular gas and then you have to add the oil separately. I bought the snowblower about a month ago for $10. I fixed it, it ran, and the propeller spun, but I did not have any snow to test it on once I sold it. And just yesterday we got our first snowfall here in Wisconsin, and I get a phone call from the person who I sold it to saying that it will not blow the snow. He told me that when he engages the propellers, or the auger, excuse me, it will turn, but as soon as you hit the snow, it will stop. So we're just going to do a little diving into that today and see if we can fix it. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome back to Online Small Engine Mechanics. I'm your mechanic Cole, and today, like I said in our introductory, we have this McCulloch snowblower, and like I said, it will not throw the snow. I'm assuming it's a belt issue, so we'll dive into the belts, but first, let me take you guys outside and show you what it's doing, and also you guys can compare your snowblower and see if that's what your snowblower is doing. So, see you in a second. You saw it, it'll fire right up, but once it touches the big, large amounts of snow, the auger just stops. It'll power right through the light stuff though. So that'll be what we're going to be working on today. It's probably just a belt issue, V-belt. So we're going to take the side cover off, and we're going to see if there's anything wrong going on in there. Alright, so we're back the next day, and I got the new belt for the snowblower here. It is a size 4L360, and like I said, this is for the McCulloch snowblower. I believe Poulon Pro in Johnsrud makes a snowblower similar to this, so I'll just show the camera. This would be your new belt. Alright. And we're gonna get underway reinstalling it, and then we'll test it and see if it works. All right, so off camera, I got the belt on the auger pulley. Now we just have to put the belt over the crankshaft pulley and onto the belt tensioner, which is this part right here. So there's a little nub right there. It keeps the belt in line, so you can just slide that underneath and make sure it's on the crankshaft pulley, and then slide that on, push it back, and get it underneath the belt tensioner nub right there so that it's tight, and it should be able to spin freely. So this is our new belt, and we're gonna take it outside quick and see what it does. There you all have it. Just a simple belt replacement. Two other reasons though why your snowblower may not throw the snow, or the auger won't even turn at all. Your belt may have come off, or it may have just snapped. Mine was just worn, as I showed previously in the video. And also one of your paddles may have broken off or fell off the auger. So just two things to check if your belt is okay. I also want to mention, I showed what size the belt was earlier on. I was wrong. I ended up returning that belt and getting the next size smaller. This is a 4L350, cost me around $8. So Sorry if I confused you at the beginning of the video. Again, hope you all enjoyed. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment and like, subscribe. I really appreciate it. And thank you for watching.